life. And I dedicate this victory to my mother, Mimi, and also want to thank my wife here and my family, my children, for the spirit of endurance that they've gone through since I made this project my vision to go back to Parliament. I know they've gone through a lot, and I thank them for standing beside me and supporting me all this while. I want to also give special thanks to the national executives of NBC, the chairman and the general secretary. I want to also thank the regional executives of Greater Accra. I want to also thank the constituency executives of East Ayawaso, and more so my people from Akwetia who came in their numbers to support me for this project. I want to thank all of them. Let me also give a special thanks to the president once again for finding me worthy to go and work in Nigeria. Those few months that I stayed in Nigeria has added to my experience, which I'm taking to Parliament to serve this country better. I thank the president so much,
Sompa FM.
and also want to assure the people of East Ayawaso that the resetting of East Ayawaso starts now. We are going to Parliament. We are coming to reset the whole constituency and ensure that what East Ayawaso deserves comes to pass. Thank you very much, the press, for all these weeks that you have also been chasing. For all this year that the press you have been chasing, working with us. I understand sometimes late night that you follow us. I want to thank the press for your support. And I want to believe that I'm going to form a partnership with the press as we reset East Ayawaso. We are going to work together. Please correct us when we are wrong. But please do that in a good and proper professional way. Let me tell you one story. That today, East Ayawaso's story has been rewritten. East Ayawaso has gone through 2 elections. Our primaries went on peacefully without an incident, not even one incident of violence or criminality, not even one. Now we have had the general election and not even a single criminal or violent incident was recorded. And you, the press, will bear me a witness. This tells you that we are rewriting the history of Nima, we are rewriting the history of East Ayawaso. This has been one of the most peaceful elections, and that is going to be the nature of Nima and East Ayawaso going forward. That is what we want the world to see. We want the world to see that East Ayawaso people are peaceful. East Ayawaso people are peaceful, peace-loving people. So we need to change the image that we have. I want to thank all my imams, my chiefs, and my constituency executives. That, and more so, our highly respected His Holiness, Chief Imam, Dr. Shaributu, who also prayed for us. And I think that Allah has accepted his prayer for all of us. And today, we are on a good path. Let every member of East Ayawaso listen to me. From today, we are going to rewrite the history of East Ayawaso. In the market, on the street, in the ghettos, in the bases, there is going to be new East Ayawaso, and that is why I am here to pursue that vision, to ensure that we rebrand East Ayawaso, especially Nima, with a new face of peace, of development, of professionalism, and inshallah we shall achieve that. Thank you very much for listening to me. And I thank all Ghanaians, those who sympathize with me in these difficult times, those who sympathize with me. I thank everybody, especially the party grassroots, who didn't forsake me in my difficult time, who came through for me. I thank all the grassroots people. I will be there for them as they were there for me. We thank Allah, Assalamu alaikum, and God bless you all.
All right, so that was Honorable Baba Jama. For Ayawasu East, the course back. Checheku na shasi on Checheku. Shasi to Trana. So that was Baba Jama, Honorable Baba Jama. Till back to Parliament. And this time round is on the ticket of Ayawasu East. Now, upon Checheku, the Chira. And on our live update, then the course now, how young post election. What happened? Just a quarter per match, eh?
Major Superman Nkwantabisa.
Odeshi and I pumped to say,
I don't know if so here.
About the Adum Mehoya Pa. Adra, now about to the court, of course. Predictions by now, over grounds and Koma. Now, me at TTB, just say, the camp of Baba Jama, that just say, emu ede, no more hope. No, na I do baby, I lean so hope. We're pulling some kind of number. And if independent na, you also want to be police surprise. But yeah, when it's elections, no, akwa ye. And right there, you may be able to identify with honor. Because 5 kgb movie chicha ni ade and the other course so ho any after elections so dia na montete
Me da Kwame Nkwantabisa. Say utie mu na say nipa bre
pa
na ye bi tu fi be no can say 2 o'clock. Because a election, you know, we got you know, but you know, it's a so in your patrol, mini a penny for me, it's through Baba Ali, a year, we were Baba Jama. Before we just know about question, MPP candidate. Baba Jama, Baba Ali, admitted in Central Africa, and they are to do obesity in 1.5 view 2020. You can say, when a pa, I will put the stream, the mouth for where I am. And now, we can't say, I'm sure about one. Yenya, even 50% I thought Nipa was said about in the end that some of the big can because that you say a year about one and then say I can ever from I'm sure only even 50% from the number I was saying about the 2 about 49,000 900 na yetu abayi imu 50% improvement na minus about na to say FM and na Baba Jama edit to get you say omo ameto abana to chiria na omo which and na say abako say me bi say yin see that we need to be kind of say yakoto